It's my birds. We just got them today. My mom said that she wanted in the office. They're cute. They're in a small cage. We're gonna get them a new cage. This is Katriona Grey. That girl. And this is Blue. I mean, Liam. You know, have you watched that movie? The Darkest Minds? Liam in the movie is blue because he has telekinesis. So then we named him Liam or Simon.
Hi. New name na. The blue one Simon.
Blue one's what?
The blue one Simon.
But I want Liam.
No, Mama already named it.
Fine. The sky is beautiful. Oh, it only sees white inside in the camera. You can't see the beautiful red clouds. It's just all white. What if? I like them. Boy, stop. That's not how you bond with birds, Manuel. You know, it has to gain your trust first before you touch them, right? Takes like several days to do that. You have to let them go from the cage, let them fly around, make them think that you're not.
What? I just touched
Go
it.
down. Oh, they're in top of each other. Oh jeez, what's Katriona doing? Hello, say hi. Oh, she's shy. Hello. Just look at the camera. Hello. Oh, they're together. They really like each other. I like them. Oh, they're scared. Okay.